IPF is an engineering company specialized in the design and development of plants for the production of polyurethane. We design from scratch new factories with our customers supply most of the equipment needed to produce polyurethane foam, a material used. We are based in the north of Spain, near Bilbao, but our customers are all over the world: India, Colombia, Egypt, USA, just to mention some. We design custom handling systems, like cranes, cutting machines for our turnkeys project. On top of that, we have developed our own system to collect the parameters of the foaming process and control the efficiency and the quality of the final product. My foam plant collects data from all the sensors placed on the machines and allows our customer to monitor the whole process in real time. Traditionally, polyurethane manufacturers have access to just few parameters, like temperature, pressure, quantity of raw material, and have no control over the results of the product. With the new version of my foam plant, developed in the project Smart Poly, we have access to all the phases of the process: foaming, curing, storage, cutting. Moreover, we have access to all sorts of data, also from equipment designed from other manufacturers. With these data, we can monitor and control parameters like density, distortion or cavitation index, that define the quality of the final product.
IPF is a company with more than 25 years' experience in the manufacturing industry of polyurethane. We started as an engineering company, designing plants, machines and the handling system for this sector. Gradually, we have become a technology service provider as well. Connectivity to our machines allow us to design and offer added value services to our clients. We are able to gather data from the whole process, connect with the product of our client, and extract values to monitor and control efficiency and quality of the manufacturing process. Thanks to MIDI, we have increased the number of our sources of data, connecting to different types of sensors and machines, and elaborate these data during and after the manufacturing process. We are able to follow the process in what is real time for us and control the global productivity of a plant. Moreover, thanks to machine learning techniques, we are able to learn more and more about the process with the analysis of data at rest. These technologies are key to offer advanced services to customers and for us to be proactive and anticipate the market. We received the support of the team from MIDI since the beginning of the project. With them we have worked on the integration of new components and the architecture of the app. We have tested the solution in real plants and received good feedback. We can say that we not only address the current but also the future needs of our clients.